Hello students. Today we are going to start definite integrals. अभी हमने इंटीग्रेशन का चैप्टर फिनिश किया है जिसमें हमने पढ़ा था इनडेफिनेट इंटेग्रल्स. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट डेफिनेट इंटेग्रल्स. इन डेफिनेट इंटेग्रल्स हमें कोई भी फंक्शन है उसकी लिमिट गिवन होगी. जैसे हमने पिछले चैप्टर्स में इंटीग्रेशन सॉल्व किया है, सेम उसी मेथड से हम इंटेग्रल सॉल्व करेंगे और लास्ट में लिमिट्स पुट करेंगे. Let's start. Integral of x square dx power, limit 1 to 2. This is a is the lower limit and b is the upper limit of the function. A is the lower limit and b is the upper limit of the function. Now apply the formula integral of x power n, power rule, x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. पहले हम फंक्शन में अपर लिमिट पुट करेंगे. x की जगह पे अपर लिमिट क्या है 2 क्यूब अपॉन 3 माइनस लोअर लिमिट 2 क्यूब 8/3 माइनस 1/3 7/3. Next is integral of 1 upon x dx minus 4 to minus 1. Integral of 1 upon x is log of x. Put the limit. Log of minus 1 minus log of minus 4. Modulus of negative term is positive, so log 1 minus log 4. Log a minus log b is equals to log of a upon b. Next is 1 upon square root of 1 plus x plus square root of x dx. The limit says 0 to 1. In this integral, first we rationalize it. Integral of 1 upon square root of 1 plus x plus square root of x 1 plus x minus square root of 1 plus x minus square root of x, and in the denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Integral of 1 plus x power 1 by 2. Power rule 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2. An integral of x power 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 2, and limit says 0 to 1. Put the limits 1 plus 1 2 power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 1 power 3 by 2 minus lower limit 1 plus 0 1 2 by 3 into 1 power 3 by 2 and 0 into something 0. This and this now put the values, solve it. We can write 2 as square root of 2 square 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3. 1 power 3 by 2 is 1 minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 अंडर रूट 2 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन वी गेट 2√2 माइनस 4/3. 2/3 2√2 माइनस 2. डेफिनेट इंटेग्रल्स में हम कहीं भी कांस्टेंट टर्म, कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन c ऐड नहीं कर रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हम इन वैल्यूज को जब इनकी लिमिट्स पुट कर देंगे, देन वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ कांस्टेंट. सो व्हेन द इंटीग्रल इज डेफिनेट, देन वी डिडंट पुट द कांस्टेंट ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन इन द आंसर. Now the next one is integral of 1 upon 2x minus 3 and the limit goes to 0 to 1. This is the form 1 upon x. Integral of 1 upon x is log of x and derivative of 2x is 2. Limit goes to 0 to 1. 1/2 is constant. Log of 2 into 1, 2 minus 3. 2 into 0, 0 minus 3. Half 2 minus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 का मॉडुलस plus 1 minus log of 3. 1/2 log a minus log b, log a upon b. 1 upon 2 log of 1/3. Or if we put log of 1, value of log 1 is 0, or we can write it as 0 minus log 3 minus 1/2 log 3. Now the next one is integral of tan square x dx and the limit goes to 0 to pi/4. Now we know the derivative integral of tan x but not the integral of tan square x. क्या करते थे हम tan square x के इंटेग्रल में? We use the identity sec square x minus 1. Limit goes to 0 to pi/4. Integral of sec square x is tan x and 1 is x. Now put the limits tan pi/4 minus pi/4 upper limit minus lower limit tan 0 minus 0. What is the value of tan pi/4? Tan 45 degree is 1 minus pi/4 and tan 0 is 0. 1 minus pi/4. Next one is integral of sine square x and the limit goes to 0 to pi/2. साइन स्क्वायर एक्स के लिए हमारे पास इंटेग्रल के लिए कोई भी डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला नहीं है. वी यूज द आइडेंटिटी हियर फॉर्मूला 1 माइनस cos 2x upon 2. Value of sin 2x. Cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. From there sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Now solve the integral. 1/2 is constant. 1/2 is constant. Integral of 1 is x. Integration of cos is sine. Here the angle is 2x, so 2 in the denominator. Put the limits now. 1 by 2 pi by 2 minus sine 2 into pi by 2 upon 2 minus lower limit 0 minus sine 2 into 0 upon 2. Now what is the value of sine pi? Sine pi is 0 minus 0, sine 2 into 0, 0, and sine 0 degree is equals to 0. So we get the answer as pi by 4. Sine 0 is equals to 0, sine pi is also 0. Next is integral of sine 3x, sine 2x, and the limit is 0 to pi by 4. Now both the terms are in product. So first we multiply and divide by 2 to apply the formula 2 sine A sine B. 2 sine A sine B is equals to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. 3x minus 2x is x. 3 plus 2, 5x. Integral of cos is sine. 1 by 2 sine x minus sine 5x upon 5. Limit goes to 0 to pi by 4. Put the limits. 1 by 2 sine pi by 4 minus sine 5 pi by 4. Upper limit minus lower limit is 0. Sine 0 and sine 5 into 0 is also sine 0. Value of sine 0 is 0 degree. Sine pi by 4, sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2 minus sine 5 pi by 4, we can write it as pi plus pi by 4. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 is 0. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Now sine 180 plus theta is equals to minus sine theta. We can write 5 pi by 4 as pi plus pi by 4. Now sine pi plus theta is minus sine theta. So 1 by root 2 minus minus plus sine pi by 4 upon 5. And what is the value of sine pi by 4? 1 by root 2. So 1 by 5 root 2. Take the LCM here. 1 by 2, 5 root 2, 5 plus 1, 6. 3 upon 5 root 2. Now we can rationalize it by multiplying it by square root of 2 in numerator and denominator. 3 root 2 upon 10. क्या किया हमने यहाँ पे sin 5 by 4 को हमने स्प्लिट करके लिख दिया sin pi प्लस थीटा। अगर हमारे पास कोई भी ऐसा एंगल आता है जिसकी वैल्यू हमारे पास डायरेक्ट नहीं है तो हम उसे पाई प्लस पाई माइनस या पाई बाय 2 माइनस प्लस इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं। तो sin pi प्लस थीटा इज माइनस sin थीटा, माइनस माइनस प्लस theta here is pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Take the LCM and solve it. Now the next one is integral of sine cube x. Integral of sine cube x, and the limit goes to 0 to pi. We know the formula for sine 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sine cube x. 3 sin x minus sine 3x upon 4. Value of sine cube x. Sine cube x is equals to 3 sin x minus sine 3x upon 4. Put the value. 1 by 4 is constant. 3 sin x minus sine 3x. Integral of sine is minus cos. Minus 3 cos of x minus minus plus cos 3x upon 3. And limit goes to 0 to pi. Put the values. 1 by 4 minus 3 cos pi plus cos 3 pi upon 3. Upper limit minus lower limit cos 0. 3 into 0, 0. Now what is the value of cos 0 degree is equals to 1. Cos pi minus 1. पाई के साथ कोई भी और फंक्शन आता है cos का, cos pi, cos 3 pi, cos 5 pi and so on, तो उसकी वैल्यू -1 होगी. और अगर हमारे पास पाई के साथ इवन फंक्शन आता है cos 2 pi, cos 4 pi and cos 6 pi and so on, then the value of cos is 1. Put the value, sorry. -3 cos pi is -1, cos 3 pi is -1 upon 3, -3 cos 0 is 1, cos 0 is 1. Solve the brackets. One by 4 minus minus plus 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 3 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 4, take the LCM. 3 into 3, 9 minus 1, 8 by 3 minus 9 plus 1 minus 8 by 3. 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3 is 16 by 3. So we get the answer is 4 by 3. Next is integral of cos cube x 0 to pi by 2. Now we apply the formula for cos 3x here. Cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So cos 3x plus 3 cos x upon 4 is equals to cos cube x. Put the value of cos cube as 0 to pi by 2. लिमिट्स हमने हर इंटेग्रल के साथ लिखते जाना है. Cos cube is 1 by 4 is constant. 3 cos of x plus cos 3x. Now integral of cos is sine. 3 sin x plus sin 3x upon 3. Limit goes to 0 to pi by 2. limit 3 sine pi by 2 plus sine 3 pi by 2 upon 3 minus lower limit 3 sine 0, 3 into 0 sine 0 Now sine 90 degree is 1, sine pi by 2 1, sine 0 is 0. We can write sine 3 pi by 2 as sine pi plus pi by 2. And sine 180 plus theta is minus sine theta. And value of sine 90 is 1. 1 by 4, 3 into 1. Sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 3. Sine 0 is 0. 1 by 4. Take the LCM. 9 minus 1. 8 by 3. Get the answer as 2 by 3. Next one is integral of